A key component of every SawStop saw, the patented safety feature, is made possible by a sophisticated mechanism. But the concept is actually very simple. The blade carries a small electrical signal. This charge is continuously monitored by a digital signal processor. When skin contacts the blade, the signal changes because the human body is conductive. This change in signal triggers a quick-release aluminum brake. A heavy-duty spring forces the brake into the teeth of the spinning blade. The teeth dig into the aluminum, stopping the blade cold. The blade's momentum forces it to retract below the table, and the motor is automatically shut off. All of that happens in less than 5/1000ths of a second, 10 times faster than a car's airbag, all without damaging the saw. It takes less than 5 minutes to replace the brake assembly. Just slip the cartridge in, put a new blade on, and you're back in business. But SawStop's commitment to protecting you goes far beyond its patented safety system with a host of additional safety features. It's what SawStop calls total safety. It's always safer when a blade guard is used, and SawStop's low-profile blade guard combines protection and dust collection while providing exceptional visibility. The riving knife minimizes kickback and delivers protection during non-through cuts. And since inconvenience is often the enemy of safety, SawStop's unique quick-release zero-clearance insert enables tool-free access to the saw cavity and blade guard clamp. Changing blades or switching between the blade guard and riving knife is fast and easy. Anti-kickback pawls provide additional safety and can be tucked away for cutting wood with delicate surfaces. A diagnostic self-check runs continuously to ensure all systems are ready to detect an accident. A safety bypass switch allows you to cut conductive material without activating the safety system. And you can easily disable the main power switch entirely by removing the yellow key. Finally, the large start-stop paddle provides hands-free shutoff, allowing you to safely stop the blade even when both hands are busy.
Can you do this with your circular saw?
See how cleanly I extracted this subfloor with one saw, one blade, and no damage to the sheetrock, wires, or plumbing? One saw.
What about this?
Forget about pulling out your beam saw or making 4 cuts with 2 different saws. I could do it with one saw in 2 cuts.
Bet your saw can't do this.
How fast was that? And without the waste of material or ugly edges that can be created by a reciprocating saw.
What if you could do this?
I just cut that rim joist without marking or chalking any lines. Try that with any other saw.
Could you even think about doing this with your circular saw?
How many times would you have to pull out your tape measure just to cut these floor joists? 10, 20 times? Try doing it without measuring at all.
And try doing this with your old circular saw.
I used to have to do this by hand or switch to an undercut saw. Now I just rotate my handle 90 degrees for perfect one-pass undercuts in only a few seconds.
Now, would you believe that you could do all these things and more with just one saw, all while significantly reducing construction costs? Believe it. Introducing the Straight Flush Saw, the 7-in-1 saw that's faster, safer, and more versatile than virtually any other comparable saw on the market. And it's about to change the construction industry forever. The Straight Flush Saw also comes with a heavy-duty lifetime guarantee. If one of the manufactured parts breaks or you experience a design flaw, just send it back to us and we'll send you a new Straight Flush even if you're not the original owner.
The B7 7-inch tile saw is designed and engineered in a joint venture between Lackman Products and Delta. It is capable of performing a diagonal cut on an 18-inch by 18-inch tile, and it can execute a 24-inch rip cut, making it comparable to most 10-inch tile saws on the market for a much better price. The B7 is designed with a heavy-duty rail system, engineered for exceptionally straight, accurate, and smooth cuts. It is equipped with a powerful 13-amp motor, which tilts to ensure accurate 22.5 degree and 45 degree bevel cuts, and offers a plunge cut feature, making it easy to execute V-cap cuts, cutouts for wall sockets, and much more. An optional rear water tray, table extension, and drip tray extension are available and ideal when cutting large format tiles. The B7 comes with an innovative snake pipe water nozzle, which allows for precise water control and placement while reducing overspray. The durable steel pipe saw frame is constructed to withstand the toughest conditions. The B7 has two optional choices for stands: a lightweight conventional scissor stand and a folding gravity stand with large rubber wheels, which allows for easy transportation and storage. The B7 comes with a 3-year warranty. We listened to what tile contractors desired in a saw and designed a saw to meet their specific needs. Our new B7 tile saw can do everything most 10-inch saws on the market can, at a much better price.
Rigid, the #1 selling pro tile saw brand, introduces the new Beast, the 10-inch portable wet tile saw with best-in-class cut capacity and improved water management system. Engineered to handle the largest of tiles on commercial job sites, the Beast has the capacity to rip cut up to 34-inch tile and diagonal cut up to 24-inch tile. The die-cast aluminum table with co-molded rubber work surface now provides a larger 28-inch expanse of continuous support. Powered by a 15-amp motor, the 10-inch blade muscles through material up to 3.5 inches thick. With a plunging head, 0, 22.5, and 45-degree adjustable bevel, and adjustable laser alignment system, no job is too large or too small. Work more efficiently with the improved water management system that retains water for less refills and a cleaner work area. Innovative water tray isolation zones filter debris and sediment to increase pump life. The optimized water nozzle system delivers clean water at the optimal area of the blade for clean, accurate cuts. It's all carried on the renowned WSUV wet tile saw stand, with rugged 8-inch wheels for easy maneuverability. The Beast is part of the complete rigid tile saw lineup, and every rigid tile saw is covered for life when registered for the industry's only free lifetime service agreement. Free parts, free service, for life.
For precise cuts from crown molding and baseboards to stair treads and dimensional lumber, check out the new Hercules Professional 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. Packed with all the features and performance of the best-selling professional miter saw on the market, the new Hercules delivers professional results with the same cutting capacity, same precision and accuracy, same durability, and same weight and portability, but at a fraction of the price. The Hercules delivers all of the performance and features a professional contractor could want, at a price no one else can touch. The Hercules miter saw delivers the large vertical and horizontal cut capacities you need to tackle any job. Cut up to 7.5-inch crown molding vertically nested and up to 6.75-inch baseboard against the fence. The saw also has a 14-inch horizontal crosscut capacity that handles virtually all applications, including cutting through stair tread or larger shelving. With a professional miter saw, accuracy means everything. From your first cut to thousands of cuts later, it needs to be right every time. The Hercules features an LED precision blade guide system that allows better visibility and accurate cuts every time. Better than a laser, the light never falls out of adjustment and is always true to the blade. The Hercules miter saw features an adjustable stainless steel detent plate with 10 positive stops for easy accuracy. When fine adjustment is needed, the miter detent override allows you to adjust to your exact angle quickly and precisely. Its double bevel design with positive stops at the most common angles in large scale makes bevel cuts fast and simple. In the shop or on the job site, its machine base fence maximizes durability and accuracy. At 56 pounds, the Hercules is as light as the professional market leader, and its ergonomically designed handles make it easy to carry and convenient to transport. The saw comes with a free contractor-grade Hercules 12-inch 60-tooth blade, featuring tungsten carbide teeth and a thin curve for maximum cutting efficiency. With a powerful 15-amp 4100 RPM motor, it will cut easily and reliably through dimensional lumber, molding, and the toughest materials, all while maintaining its accuracy with daily job site use. The industry-proven dual horizontal stainless steel rail system provides smooth sliding action. Hercules put this saw through punishing tests, more than 16,000 cuts, and the saw was still going strong when competitors failed. Engineered to provide the capacity and accuracy professionals demand, the Hercules miter saw was built to last. Accuracy, capacity, durability. The new Hercules Professional 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw is as good as the best-selling professional miter saw on the market, but at a fraction of the price.